Hi, I'd like to give a demonstration of a new paid feature of Coder called Groups. So Groups is how you segment users in a Coder deployment. So we'll log into Coder. We'll go to the Users tab. I'm logged in as an admin. So you'll see this is the standard view of all of my users. But we now have a Groups tab, and you'll see I've created six. This is up to you to define how these are named. But I have like front end team, back end team, data science. If I go into the front end team, you'll say I have three people in there. I can remove someone from a group, and I can easily add someone to a group. Now, once you've added groups, you can restrict who has access to templates. So templates are the building blocks of Coder. They are Terraform files that you define and upload into Coder, and they define how a workspace is built. So in this case, on the right side, I have a sample Terraform template pulled up. This is going to build a pod running on Kubernetes that's going to have the VS Code in a browser code server IDE added. So there's my template. Now I want to limit who has access to this template. So if I go into the templates view and go into that uploaded template pod with code server, you'll now see a tab called permissions. And you'll see I've added two groups to be able to use this, the front end team and the back end team. You can also define who can actually change these templates. So you can see there's a user role and there's an admin role. Now let's prove this. I have a different browser session on Firefox. I'm logged in as a software developer named Jill, who's in the front end team. So she currently does not have any workspaces created. When she clicks on the templates list, she'll only see the ones that are in the front end group, which were two different ones. One for creating a workspace on a Docker host, and one is a pod running on Kubernetes. Hope this demo helps.